Hello friends, so I welcome you to another interesting class in our Adobe Illustrator training. And in today's training, I'm going to teach you how you can create brochure using Illustrator. So when you're talking about brochure design, brochure can be 2-fold, it can be 3-fold, or it can be 4-fold. So all you have to do is to know how you do this layout settings, and you should be able to know the kind of brochure you want to create, whether for church brochure, whether corporate brochure, or any advertisement type of brochure. So without wasting much of our time, let's get today's training started. So the first thing we need to do is to go to the home tab here and click on file. Then we select new. Alright, so at the point here this is where we need to do our layout settings, right? So you come here and select letter. Then when you select letter, then you come here and type the name of your design. So it's going to our example is going to be on the 3-fold brochure. So I'm going to type 3-fold. Brochure design. So you notice that the width here is 11, the height here is 8.5. This is A4 standard, right? Then the number of artboard is 1. Then I don't need to add any bleed area here. It is 0. So I'm making everything is 0. So we need to come here and make sure that our color mode here is CMYK. This is very much important. So we can click on more setting. So when we click on more setting, we're going to see some of the things we can still do here. So we make sure that at this point it's always in 300 pixels, right? Having done that, then we'll come here and click on create document. Excuse me. Alright, so this is how you set up the layout for your brochure design. So the next thing we have to do is to go to our tools bar now and select a rectangle. Then we can draw the rectangle from the top. So we draw from the top diagonal down like this. Intersect, right? Now having draw a control minus, okay, so having draw a rectangle in a full size of the page, so we need to go back to the home tab here and we click on object. Then we look for part. Then we look for split into grid. Now at this point here, we make sure that we click on our preview. So having select preview, then we make sure that we come here and divide the number of column. So if you are trying to create a 2-fold brochure, you leave it in a 2. but as in our example today is going to be threefold brochure. So I will select 3. Now you can see that it has been divided into 3 equal parts. Then we now click on OK. Now this will help us to know the actual division of our threefold brochure. So if we select the middle one, we can change the color so that you see that now you can see now that these are has been divided into 3 equal parts, right? So now we need a ruler. So we have to go to Home tab now. Then we click on View, and we look for ruler. Then Show Ruler. So we can see our ruler now. So I will drag my ruler to the center point. 1. Then I need just 2 ruler. Then 2. So I can select the blue shape now. Press delete key on my keyboard. I will select this one here, also delete key on my keyboard. I will select this, then delete key. Now we can do our design after we have done with the concept of the stuff. So now I need to go back to my tools bar again, and I will select my pen tools now. So having selected my pen tools, I will make a path from this point here. So I'll make it straight down like this. Okay, let me cut it. I'm going to delete this one. Delete. So my pen tools again. So I need to start from this point here and this point here. Then I'll press Shift key down to make a perfect stroke. Then straight down like this and close part here. So I'm done with that. So what I'm going to do is that I will change this color from white to red. So I will select the shape back. Then I'll go to the Home tab here and select red. So I need this type of red. So I will remove the stroke now. Stroke color, I will remove it. So I have this one perfectly red, right, like this. So what I'm going to do next is that I will select my pen tools again. Then I will make another part here. Then here, then here, something like this. So I'll press Ctrl plus to zoom out. So what I'm going to do is that I will select this shape. I will go back to my Home tab here. I will add stroke color now to be black. Then I will come here and I will remove the color fill. Now I need my pen tools again because I want to divide this shape into 2. So I will select my pen tools again, and I will make a path and anchor point like this. Then I'll press down Ctrl key to cut. So I will go back to my move tool. I will select the new part now, Shift key, and select the first shape. Then I will go back to my tools bar again. I will select Shape Builder tools. So having selected Shape Builder tools, I will come to the Home tab here. I will change the color to black. Then I will double click here. I will fill this place with black. I will fill this place with black also. Then I'll go back to my Home tab, to my tools bar, and click on my selection tools. Now I will select the anchor point here and I press delete key. Now I will select this red. Then I will go back to my choose bar here, I will select eye color dropper, then I'll pick this red here. So I'm done with that. So I will need another pen tools again. I'll go back to my pen tools, then I'll make another part from this point here, like this, and I will close the part here. Now we need to make sure that this red is not the same with the primary large shape red. So what I'm going to do next is that I will go back to my tools bar, I will double click the color fill, then I will select dark red and click on OK. So I need more dark, so you can see the color code here. I think I'm satisfied with that. So this is the color code for this red, then I'll click on OK. So now this red here, I'm going to apply it here. I will select this, then I'll go back to my eye color dropper, I will select this. You can see. All right, so let me scroll up and Ctrl+0. All right, so what I need again here is that I need my pen tools again. So I'll go back to my tools bar and select my pen tools. So having select my pen tools, then pen tools, then I can change the color to black, then I can add stroke color black also. So I need the pen tools somewhere starting from here, then I press shift key down and take it to the top like this, and like this, like this. Then I'll close the part here. Alright, so I will right click, I'll look for arrange, then send to back. Right, so it has been sent to the back of the red shape. So now what I'm going to do next is that I need to just scroll down a little bit. All right, so I'll go back to my shape tools, will select rectangle, and I will make another tiny rectangle down below here. Then my eye color dropper, I will select this red now, something like this. So I need to go back to my pen tools again. I will make another part here, and I'll close it here, and close. All right, so Ctrl+0 zoom in the entire canvas, Ctrl- zoom in. So now I need my picture to the design. So what I'm going to do is to go to the home tab here, I'll click on file, then place. So this is going to be a corporate TRIFOLD brochure. So I need to look for my picture from desktop. So I'm going to use this wallpaper, place. It will be straight down like this. Alright, so this is what I need. Then I'll take this picture here first. What I need to do again is that I'll select the black shape now. I'll click on alternative key on my keyboard to make a duplicate. I will duplicate this and I can just drop it here. Oh, sorry. Ctrl Z, it's not duplicate. Hotkey and drag to make a duplicate. So this duplicate one here, I'm going to use it later. Then I'll come back to the picture here. I'll take it here. So I will right click on the picture, arrange, then send to back. Alright, so I can go back to the black shape and press shift key on my keyboard. I will select the black shape now, then right click. I will look for make clipping mask. Very good. So I will come back to this shape and I will snap it back to this point here. Very good. So what I'm going to do is that I can change this color to, let me see, I will select my eye color dropper now and select this red. Now I will look for my transparent fill tools from this point here. This is transparent. Then I will come here and load the opacity. Okay, so I think I'm satisfied with this layout and everything. So let's see how we input text into our brochure design in Adobe.